So I just bought this KTM 65 2007. It's in really good condition, as you can tell. In this video, I was just going to let you know my plans on this build. So first off, tomorrow, I'm probably going to rip out the motor, put that on Marketplace, sell that. The plans are to make an electric pit bike. So I got a QS 138 V3 coming. I'm going to put that there. I have a BAC 4000. It's going to mount that about here somewhere. Might keep the plastics, but then again, I'm pretty sure I got some new ones in the mail. So I'm going to mount them. I'll have to buy a seat cover. I'll raise the bars and get rid of this junk. And for the battery, instead of mounting a big rectangle box there, I might try and make my own and wrap it around the electric motor. And yeah, the shocks are a bit soft. I sat on it. I'll take them in and get them touched up, and down the road I'll probably anodize the wheels, get the rims done and the hubs, and maybe some other trick little parts. Can't wait.